Ever heard a loud click, click, click when turning? That could be your CV axle screaming for help. And if you ignore it, your car might leave you stranded. Stick around because I'll show you how to spot the warning signs before it fails, and the step-by-step fix that could save you hundreds. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. First, what exactly is a CV axle? The constant velocity CV axle transfers power from your transmission to your wheels, allowing smooth rotation even when turning. It has a flexible joint that can bend, making it essential for front-wheel and all-wheel drive vehicles. Now, how do you know if your CV axle is failing? Here are the top signs to watch for. Clicking noise when turning. The most common symptom is a loud clicking or popping sound when making sharp turns. This happens because the worn-out CV joint can't maintain smooth rotation. Grease leak from CV boot. If you see grease splattered around the wheel or on the CV boot, it means the boot is torn and dirt has entered, damaging the joint. Vibrations while accelerating. A worn CV axle can cause shaking, especially when accelerating. If the vibrations get worse with speed, it's likely a CV axle issue. Clunking when shifting gears. If you hear a clunk when shifting from park to drive or reverse, the CV joint might be excessively worn. Difficulty turning or steering issues. In severe cases, a broken CV axle can make steering feel stiff or unpredictable. If you've noticed these symptoms, it's time to replace your CV axle. Here's how to do it step by step. Tools needed: torque, wrench, pry bar. Step 1. Remove the wheel with your tools. Step 2. Remove the axle nut. Use a breaker bar to loosen the large axle nut in the center of the hub. Step 3. Remove the bolts and pry the lower control arm down and separate the ball joint with the lower control arm. Step 4. Install the new axle. This should produce a faint but audible click when the axle is fully engaged into the sliding gear. Step 5. Slide the axle into the spindle. Pry the lower control arm off so it lines up with the ball joint and reinstall the hardware. Step 6. Put the axle nuts back on. And that's how you diagnose and replace a bad CV axle. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.